Hey everybody, I am back with another haul. This is a like a collection haul of different little orders that I've gotten from online stores over the past few weeks. So I'm going to start off with Altenew since I'm most excited. But I did want to say really quickly that if you go over to my website, which I always have linked down below, I have a section on there for clearance and sales. So if you're ever wondering maybe like what Altenew has for clearance or sale, you can always go over there and check it out. I try to keep it up to date, especially when I find big sales, like say scrapbook.com is having their March clearance right now, so I have it updated over on my website. So always be sure to check it out occasionally because I will be updating it. So I know some people ask me, is there a coupon code for a certain store or is there a sale going on? Just head on over there and you can most likely I will have it updated if there is any specials going on at that time. So I was super excited when I saw the Altenew design team's projects with the washi tapes. Honestly, I was actually really surprised that I did get the washi tapes because I don't have a lot of washi tapes. I probably have like 5 washi tapes altogether. So, but these are definitely different, and the way they used them were so creative. Like they used these and this one and they cut, well, they put it on cardstock and then they cut out the flowers to make really pretty floral embellishments. And this one can be just a really gorgeous background, same as this one. And I'm really bummed because there was a bigger, I think it was bigger, I think it was longer, and it was like reds and pinkish flowers, which I'm really bummed that I didn't pick that one up. But anyway, so this one is monochrome washi tape, and it just has blue flowers on it. It's really, really pretty. This one's called Peach Gold Washi Tape. It's really pretty again. And this one is called Watercolor Strokes Washi Tape. I love this one. I love the strokes and then the little speckles. Really, really neat. So there's that. And then I love these so much, and they are pretty, I think they're only like $2 or $3. So I really, really like them, and I really like because the adhesive on the back is really, really good. But I like to emboss these with white embossing powder. And so I got a couple of those. These are the wood veneer shapes. So I got those. And then I picked up a couple of the stencils. And I got the Watercolor Bouquet stencil. And you do this one first. And then you flip it around. And then you stencil. Sorry, the sun keeps coming in and out. So anyways, and then you layer this one on top with a different color. So really, really neat concept. And then I got the Classy Striped stencil. So I got that one as well. And then I've been debating on getting this one, this stamp set, and I finally picked it up. And it is the Adore You. This is every small thing that you do makes a big difference in my life. I adore you. Sending love and hugs. Thank you. You inspire me. And then of course, all the florals. And you know that I do not purchase the dies. So that's Altenew. And like I said, I will have everything listed down below. So be sure to see the description box. All right, so the next little lot is going to be a collection of things that I've gotten from Amazon. Somebody gifted these to me. And then a couple things I've gotten from my little scrapbook store. So I'm just gonna go through. And this cat, well, I'll show you that, but I got a few things for Abby. And I'm really excited for this. I love unicorns, and this one is Pink and Mane. What is it called? Oh, Magical Unicorns. So super, super cute. Love this one. So, so cute. All right. And then I got this one and I'm really excited to use this one. I've seen lots of cards using this, and this is a quilted backdrop from Lawn Fawn, and I got this on Amazon. It's perfect for a card. And then this one I got on Amazon quite a while ago, and I don't think I've ever shared it in a haul before, so I thought I'd show you guys. And this is Nestability's Label 17. And then all of these were gifted to me, so I am obsessed with Stephanie Lowe and all of her stuff she designs for Spellbinders. Love the feathers. I'm just gonna go through. Let me see if I can tell you guys the names of these. Flowers Whisper. This one is Feathers in the Wind. Flip them over so you guys can see a project. This one is Rosy Summer Florals. No, sorry, Rosy Summer Flowers. Good Vibes Only. Crystal Peaks. Leaves So Very Gorgeous. Wandering Butterflies. Petaled Poetry. Lovely Lilac. And Heart Like a Wildflower. So those are amazing. I can't wait to use those. And then this I got for Abby. You guys know she's obsessed with cats. This mat is super sticky. And I got this from my little scrapbook store. And it's the Simple Stories Life is Perfect. And she says it's too cute to use. So I think we have a hoarder on our hands. But I thought it was cute, and they were having a live sale one day, and I picked it up. I saw it, so I picked it up for her. And so that is that. Next, we're going to do 7 Dot Studio, and you can purchase 7 Dot Studio papers directly from their website, but you can also find where to purchase them over on their website as well if you are in a different country. I find that they are very hard to track down in the US. And so yeah, so I got this from Wow Studios, which Dee Catron, I believe. I always butcher her name. She is the designer of these papers, and then also she does coordinating chipboard for 7 Dot Studios, which her company is called Wow, which she sent me some, so I'm gonna have to grab them. But this one is Hazy Days, and it's the 6x6. There's 24 sheets, 12 designs. Love this one. And then I got the stickers. I love their stickers. Love the quotes. And then the like the die cut shapes and stuff. And then the element stickers. Sorry, not all in frame here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here we go, a little better. So, and then you get a 12 by 12 Hazy Days tags. You can see the distress and the colors, and they're just white on the back. And then I'll go through quickly the papers. Love, it's like almost like ink dropped or something. It's really neat. I love this. And that. As soon as I saw this collection, I knew that I had to have it, and then I kept seeing everybody's projects using this collection, and I just fell more in love with it, so I had to track it down. And there was a little snag with ordering it because I ordered it from Nani, at one of the websites that on 7dotstudio.com, where it says you can purchase in the US. I purchased from them, and then it was I don't know. It's kind of like a thing. I still haven't gotten my order. They refunded me, and then I purchased other things that they said that they had it in stock, and then they said they would ship it out that same day. And I still haven't got it. It's been a week, so no email back or anything. So just beware. I believe it's Nani. I'll have it listed here. Nani L something, or I don't know. But yeah, I will have it listed so that you can purchase at your own risk, I guess. And I think I should have just left it at, when they refunded me, I should have just left it. But I wanted the 6x6 paper pack of this, and they said they had it, so we'll see if it comes in sometime soon. But I got the collection pack, or the collection kit, and it comes with the die cut elements, the element stickers, and then the word stickers, which I love using these just for any types of projects. And then it comes with the 12 by 12 tags. And then I'll show you the papers. So there's 2 of each. Love the stars and the dots. You guys hear the birds? And I love this. And I'm pretty sure this is geared for like a Christmas-y type theme. But most of the papers, they don't have like a ton of Christmas stuff. I think this is just the only kind of Christmassy pattern on here. This one, I love this. It's like, so gorgeous. And then this one, it has that pattern in here, but I mean, can't really tell. And then this one. Then this. And then this one. Oh, it's super windy outside today. All right, so that is 7 Dot Studio. And let me get the Wow chipboard. All right, so some of these coordinate with the 2 collections that I got, and some are, I think, just random. You can go to her website. It's wowstudio.com and check it out. She's got a ton over there, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I love that they layer on top of each other. This gives more depth and dimension. Or are these 2 different ones? I think these are actually 2 different ones. My bad. This one layers on top of each other. And then these are the chipboard that coordinate with the Northern Lights. And I'm just gonna take them out. You got the little hearts, and then that pattern, and then some other little patterns, some little reindeer, some Christmas trees. Really nice little collection of chipboard. Right. Next, I'm wondering if this one coordinates with the Northern Lights too, or coordinates with the Hazy Days, maybe. But you got some film strip and then some stars, and then it says star. Really cool. They got a little bird cage, and then some little lanterns, and then what are these called? Little things that you can look through, and then they have a little photo in them. And then these coordinate, they're supposed to be like the branches for Northern Lights. Let's see. Like these. So they go well with those. So that's that. Oh, I forgot to show you with my Amazon haul. I picked up more of the upholstery thread, and this is the one that I get, and I always have it linked most likely in every single one of my videos because I use it often. It's the Coats Extra Strong Upholstery, 150 yards, and I love it. So that's that. And then this is 2 different little orders from scrapbook.com. So I picked up some more Distress Oxide inks, and I've already used one, but this one's Shaded Lilac, Tattered Rose, and Hickory Smoke. And then I picked up this after seeing a card over on the Spellbinders blog, and I just had to get it. It is the Quilt It from Spellbinders, Hexagon quilt. And then I picked up, finally, I have the, what's this guy called? The Blah Bunny. I have the Christmas themed one. I finally decided to pick up this one. And I love all of these little sayings. Do I have to? Adult today. Hang in there. More coffee. Life happens. I hate it when this happens. I don't wanna. I can't even. Just different things, and you can piece them together, like blah Mondays. And then this guy is supposed to be laying on the ground. So really cute idea. These are from Honeybee Stamps. Then I picked up this. I thought this was really cute, just to kind of put a little sentiment on a card. It just says, hey. It's from Heffy Doodle. And then I finally picked up this one, which I'm probably going to get the die for this one because I want to be able to cut out the Wonderful. And my X-Acto knife skills are not that great. So this is the Wonderful Floral Stamp Set from Concord in 9th. And then I thought I'd give this a try, although I forget that I have it. But I'm definitely going to try it out. So Stick It. I see a lot of card makers using this. And then I got another collection for Abby. This is the My Happy Place from Webster's Pages. And I got it because of the Unikitty. She, a long time ago, she had said that she wanted to be a cat, but a unicorn, like with a unicorn horn and then a unicorn tail, but with cat ears and paws. And I just thought it was so funny that they had come out with this collection. So really cute. Again, she says it's too cute to use, although she really only likes this paper. So I guess I could have just gotten away with getting a couple sheets of that. It's definitely not really my style, but it's still cute collection. So I used to use tons and tons of Webster's Pages back in the day, like when I first started, and they just changed it up, and I am not the greatest fan of their papers or anything anymore. So anyway, so that is that, and I think that's it. Yes. Be sure to go over to my website and check out the clearance and sales little tab, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.